signal flags wave merrily in the breeze as we slowly come to anchor in the beautiful Bay of Funchal, the principal port of the island of Madeira, which lies out in the Atlantic Ocean about 500 miles southwest of Portugal, to which it belongs. No sandy beaches here. The island of Madeira is of volcanic origin. It is at the top of a gigantic undersea mountain. As pieces of the hard rock break off from the cliffs, they fall into the sea, where the waves roll them around against each other until they are ground down to the shape of flattened eggs with a polished surface. The towns are built on the gentle slopes that incline to the sea, affording many picturesque scenes. Seated by twos and threes in wicker chairs mounted on runners, the enterprising thrill hunters are all set to go sliding down the mountain over the pebble pavements. Let's watch closely, for this is real fun. Here they go. The runners have been well greased. Each pair of baby guys is out to beat the rigor. Let's watch closely. The streets of Funchal are remarkably clean and smooth. They are paved with the large pebbles that have been polished by the waves. We hate to go, for after all, we certainly had a good time in Madeira. Our eyes are filled with beauty and